Couple of hours, I'm gonna go out, get myself some scooters, make myself some money. It's actually raining outside. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast. Top ramen because I'm broke. Breakfast of champions. Yes. October 31st, it is Halloween. I am in Covington, Kentucky. And some giant dogs here. That's Diesel. You see why his name's Diesel. This is Brody. Right now starts the real hustle. Ready to go hunt some birds. Well, the plan was to wake up at 3:30. It's like 5:15. Late. And there's whoa, big guy. Sheesh. This is a scary grab. We go out, grab scooters, at least 6. That's all I can fit in my car. First I gotta clean out my car and then get to it, but 5:11, I gotta be out. Alright, so it's a little bit wet outside. It's gonna be cold. Actually, weather's not too bad. Just a little bit wet. Oh, I just dropped my toothbrush. Everything, trunk is cleared, got enough space. Let's pick up some scooters. They're both ways before we cross. Even in Kentucky. Even inside this breezy. Carlos Kent. On my way to get 6 scooters. As you can see, I got the snap glasses. You looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. The problem I have is that this thing is not gonna stay here while I drive. So I think after I'm finished picking up some scooters, I'm gonna take myself to Walmart, go find some Velcro strips, and so I can place it so this camera doesn't move all over the place. Now let's get this baby started. I won't be able to listen to music while I have this thing recording because copyright purposes, so it's gonna be me and my thoughts. Someone help. All right, let's go find this first scooter. So what I like to do is I like to find out which ones are legit, because some of them say they were ridden 6 weeks ago, 5 days ago, 23 hours ago, 32 minutes ago. That might be, depending if that's a house or not, that might be one, but maybe not. It could be in an alley, but there, right there, there's definitely someone has them at their house, so I won't even bug them. We'll check this one out over here. V8 26. It's the same one. It's 3 weeks ago. That's a no. See, the hard thing about this stuff is finding legit ones to go look for. 3 weeks ago, no. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought it was. Person has them at their house. Dang, all these people just have them at their house. This one right here. This one is legit, so we're gonna go get this one. 5 miles away. Apple, do your thing. We are gonna go grab this scooter. We are pulling up on a scooter. First one of the day. Scooter up. Get this bird app open. It says it's right down the street. SH, so we will slowly take off so this camera doesn't fall down and let this car pass. And we are off, ready to go. Houston, we have liftoff. One of the things I'm noticing about this city, oh, little homeboy, you are soaked. Someone get that man an umbrella. But one thing I noticed about this city, it's a little bit old. We use the word old. The bird is fairly new out here, and I guess it's only about 2 months old, 2-3 months old, so the market's pretty dry as far as workers, which means the market is flooded with scooters. We're going through an alley. Should be coming up to the left. Is nowhere in sight. It says it's to the right. You know, someone might have hit it. Either it's inside this bush, behind that alley, which I'm gonna go check if it's in that alley, because it says it's in this alley. I believe someone has this in their freaking house. Let's go see. Oh, there it is. Found it. There it is. Success. All right. One down. How much was that worth? $5. $5. This one is only half a mile away. Let's go pick this bad boy up. Beep, 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 beep. Hold on. Where am I at? Shit, I forgot where I'm at. Where am I? I'll just go grab this one right quick. This one should be worth $8.27 if I'm lucky enough to find it. Seatbelt, look both ways. I'm surprised that camera's staying in one spot. I usually drive more reckless, so I wouldn't expect it to. I should be pulling up on this one shortly. Look out. Now, I wonder if that's it. That might be it. We'll see. Looking for 2W. And that is 8.6. That's not it. It's back here. I don't know, man. I think this one might be hidden. Nothing back there. Ooh, it's scary. All right, let's try back here. Oh, found it. Yes. All right, now this is a big ass one, so this just sucks. Ah, shit. These ones fucking suck. Woo! Dang it, my car's locked. Car's not in parking drive. Watch me struggle with this piece of shit. Alright, wasn't as bad as I thought it was. We're doing good. Got $13 so far, and it's only been like 20 minutes. Ooh, looks like they're partying over there. I might go over there next. Alright, my battery's about to die, but this is number 3. I will be getting the rest on the snap glasses. I'm gonna go grab this third scooter that's actually worth $19, boy, because it's in a apartment complex. Snap glasses. And there's the scooter, and it's another big ass one. Come on, Skin. Alright, well, maybe this one's it. Looking for 6.9. And this is 6.9, baby. 6.9 Takashi. Alright, that's 3. We got ourselves another 19, only a quarter mile away, so we're gonna look for that one. M7. Go for a little walk. This one says it's all the way at the end of the stadium, so let's go. Says I'm getting closer. Probably gonna be somewhere up there. It's raining. And where's that fucking scooter at? Shit. There's that damn scooter. I'm gonna try downstairs. If I can't find it downstairs, I'm quitting. I give up. There it is. Who found this bad boy? My phone just died? What the fuck? Nice. This one glows. Man, it smells like teriyaki chicken out here. Maybe we out here in the rain. Got it. Ugh. And that is 4. Find this one. Says it's back here. It ain't back here, it's on the other side of the street. It is not there. Other side of the street. Scooter, 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 where are you? Scooter, scooter, scooter. Come on, dude. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's the scooter at? Is that it? Not it. Alright, well. No scooter. Next. If I was a scooter, where would I be? Oh, are you kidding me? Ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, great. Dang it. Shit. There's that thing's in there. Alright, well, that was 4 scooters. I think the total was about $31. It's what, like $6.30 right now? Not bad. Went all over the city. I took 3 L's in a row, so what I'm about to do is go back home and wait till about 9 o'clock when they all shut off, and I'll go grab about 4 or 5 more in the area. Pick them up and shove them inside my car. Let's go. Home, finally. Oh, I guess I gotta turn my car off. That'd be smart. Alright, so I got here and Diesel did some work to my foam roller, so I gotta hide this now. Great. Time to pull out these damn scooters. And there they are. This one's fucking heavy. This is 4. Watch out, big guy. Guys, watch out. Excuse me. Awesome warm milking by you. Giant dog, you. Let's get this. All right, went out and grabbed 4 scooters. Should be worth about 31 bucks. So about 17 bucks, 18 bucks per hour, not bad. So right now I'm gonna charge them. It should take about 4 or 5 hours. After that, 9 o'clock, I'll go out and probably grab 2 more $3 scooters just down the road, just because at 9 o'clock they all shut off. What time is it? 9:13. Scooter's just all turned off. I'm gonna go across the bridge, go grab me a couple, come back home.
Destination is on the right.
There she is. There's a scooter. Oh shit, she's a big one. Fuck, I hate these ones. Oh. All right, big girl. I'm gonna call you Big Bertha because you are fucking huge. Oh shit. All right, so these new ones weigh about 45 pounds, and the old ones only weigh about 15. I get my squats in. 1, 2, 3. All right, next one. Let's go. Well, looks like someone left this scooter right in the middle of the gas station. Funny thing, this thing doesn't use gas; it uses electricity. So I don't know who the hell did that. Just right here in the middle of the fucking. I think this. Oh, it's one way! Damn it! All right, I might have to go out and get this one, or I can reverse. Might be the scooter on the ground, E7. I'm hoping. I'm out here fucking going backwards for this shit. E7, E7, E7. E7! Woo! This was the one. Oh look, Gato's up. Morning, Gato. This isn't a very satisfied look. The reason because it's fucking pouring outside. Alright, now you can't see it. I know damn well you heard it. Well, rain or shine, hustle's a hustle. Get all these damn birds back to their nests. I'm coming home and going back to sleep.